sector we set today for the slim, right?
Yes.
Yep. So I think why not we get started right now?
Okay.
Yep. So I think for this part for education, it's the EDU product for education. We know that for some of the ranges we have the like company training program,
Yes.
internal like the meetings or conference, all of these parts, and also they have the seminars as well in the company. We call it training system. That is the training system. And besides the company training system, we also have another traditional education like the schools, including the university, high school, primary school. All of these they are have the requirement, have the demanding of the different system for this part.
Is
Yeah,
raising.
but you know that nowadays all of the it's not like before, maybe 10 years ago or several years ago.
Yes.
In the school, in classrooms, they are quite a lot, quite different. They are in like the rows by rows, every rows, and they are fixed. Student desk and also student chairs. All of these they are fixed, but now they have quite different.
It's more flexible.
Exactly, flexible, and also in the classroom, they have the group discussion. They have the small meetings. They have the seminar or have the lectures inside the classroom. Even for primary school, not only the university, for primary school, they have all of this. So it's quite different. So how about from the very beginning we said for company or for enterprises, they have the training system. Like this is the training table. Right?
Yeah, so this is sort of the extra sections of our Victory education industrial, right?
Yes. So for the training system, we have the several units. The first one is the multimedia display rack. It's a multimedia TV set rack and the TV stand. It's a lifting system with the motor and the lifting system you can have, and also it is suitable for different height, different size of the TV set.
Okay.
And besides this, we have the training chair and also the training table.
Okay.
I'm quite sure for this training table, they are foldable, they are stackable, so it's quite functional for this part.
How about the chair I can see?
Yes, Sharon, I think you are right. It's quite nice for this chair. I think we can present more details about the chair, the training chair in the school, in the education sector on the next part.
Okay.
Yeah, because we have not only the basic version for the chairs, we have a high-end version for the training chair.
Okay.
So why not turn to the next part for the chairs.
Okay, now I see we got two versions here. So can you just introduce us what makes it different?
Actually, you can see. Why not have a try here? Just sitting on the chairs.
Okay.
Yep, it's quite different. To be honestly, you can see that.
It moves very smoothly and easier and sitting very softly.
Exactly.
I can get a very strong the backrest. So what makes it different?
To be honestly, for this chair, they are quite different. You can see the backrest, and also the seat. They are in one complete part, component.
Right?
They are not separate. They are in one complete component.
Okay.
Set by our molding, by our casting, so it's fixed for one component. And also they have a tray under the seat cushion. It's for the handbag. For example, in the school or in the classroom or even in the meetings, you have your personal belongings. You can put all of this under the chairs. And also sometimes in the meeting we have the documents, we have the papers, we have our filings. All of this can put in under the chairs. All of this part. And also you can see that. Can you recognize for this high-end version? It's quite different. For all of these parts, it's larger, because in the market, not all of the writing pad is big enough. You can see that even though I put a laptop here, they still have some space for me. They still have some space for even you can put a writing the notebook. You can put your pen.
Yes, even I can put my coffees there.
Exactly, and also you can see all of this part. It's foldable for this one. You can see that it's foldable.
Wow, nice.
Yeah, and also it's swivel for this part. You can see that like this. It's swivel. You can put in this way.
Oh, it's 360 degrees, right?
Exactly. It's always surrounding and swivel for this part. And
so
for this part,
I can use your writing pods if I'm sitting behind you, right?
yeah, sure. For example, like this. For this part, you can hold it like that. Yeah. Even you can like this. You can writing like this. For example, you can have writing like this.
Wow.
Back side.
Wow.
And also you can have like that. And even for this part, yeah, swivel to the correct position as well.
Nice.
All of this you can writing and also for that. So it's quite functional for this part.
Nice.
And also you can see it's like this. Exactly like this.
Thank you very much. Kind of products in the market areas.
Exactly.
But I also noticed another different things. Why this the mesh and the bag holders becoming like punching bags?
Actually, it's the small holes on the back. Even in the casting process, we have different punching the holes on the back.
So what's this use?
I think it's in the space. Every day, even I said like the walls, the tabletops, all of the tops, they are concrete or they are solid, very hard surfaces. You can get a lot of noise or some echoes in the space.
Okay,
But this kind of a little bit soft, or a little bit some of the holes can absorb the noise on the sounds on the daily use, so it can reduce the noises. It can be the effect of the acoustic. Yes, acoustic effect for this item. So more items of the same design, it will be reduce the noise in the space. So I think that's the strength of the product for this.
Nice. Yeah. How about that?
You recognize that we said in the meeting or in the education sector, in the classroom or in the seminar. I think a lot of the attendants or also the students every day. The teachers maybe he want to dispatch the documents. They want to dispatch the documents or the magazines, the rack, all of this. He can dispatch all of this to the. He can dispatch all of this to the students. Yeah, to different group. For example, one group. For example, they can select one group, another group. So you can dispatch all of this one by one to different students. So it also can be used for the water, some drinks, or some beverages, or even the meeting filings. All of this is quite functional. I believe that.
Yes.
Yep. So it's a small item.
And also I can put at the meeting rooms.
Exactly. So for this part, how about the this one?
The lecture table, right?
Operate how to manage for this one.
So what's the difference?
No, I mean this one. Sorry. Yep.
So this is the same products, or we just said the
exactly the same. We said the multimedia TV stand. It can fit for different size of the TV set.
Okay.
For example, from 40 inches to 65 inches. It's wide range in the same rack, and also for different heights. We just said in the company maybe a big conference.
Yes.
But in the small classrooms, maybe the students are young. They are the little kids, the young kids, so they don't need to very high rack. So they need to lower down to the proper positions.
So this 1, 2, 3, 4, it's a memory buttons.
Exactly.
Stand, right?
So you can set into the memory mode. For example, 1 meter in the number 1, 1.5 meter number 2. So you can manage it that way. So how about the product? Do you know what product it is we call the podium or a product like that?
I think you put it in the TV stand. Maybe it's lecture tables, right?
Exactly. So for this part, it's we call it a podium, so it can fix for different heights of the speakers. So it's very easy for the operation for all of this part. Here with the holder for the bottles or for the glasses, so
Okay.
For this. Yeah, you can put the glass of water, even for your coffee, for your cups, you can put here.
Okay.
Yep. So it's lifting, yep, to the correct.
So I guess I even can put my pens here. Right?
Yep, exactly. The slot here they design for the pens, or you can writing, or even for some tools or some kits you can put here. So this just for very also. And with the casters, the four caster, very easy. You can see that. I think we can take a closer look here with the handles here. You can very easy, even very easy to move to different places. So it's quite easy to manage.
So we can grab it home when we after the classes.
Exactly, exactly. Okay, and how about this one? So it looks a little bit cute, right? Very small items. How about we take a closer look first here? Yeah, it's very special for the we call the
person training tables, right?
Yeah, multi panel here. So okay, have different color 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 6 color options for the multi panel. It looks young, and also the color is bright. So to make the classroom not that boring as before, and also for this unit, it's foldable, like this. It's foldable. You can try that. Yeah, foldable and stackable, like this. It's foldable and stackable.
Okay, so
yeah.
I can change the shape any time or any place.
Exactly, and also for this one, it's PP for the legs, for the supporting structures. So it's different. Like it looks like metal tube or metal structures, but now it's quite different.
Is. But it is strong enough.
Mm-hmm.
Do you think?
Yeah,
PP
it's quite strong.
It's
quite
enough,
strong.
Right?
Yeah.
So I think the price will be very competitive.
It's quite competitive for the costing, for the pricing. Yes, for the same we said just now, all of the data, the price book, the brochures, you can download from the right-hand side of the screen. We have the details for you. So yeah, all is ready for you to check and to download. So how about everything is quite, quite clear here?
By the way, in the whole videos, I cannot see any workstations in our whole introduce. So any new product